Dylan, where are you at? Let me come around this way and see if the sun's got to bright in your face. That pool is green in here, but it's really blue. Hey, let me see them blue eyes. Let me see your blue eyes. Did that lady at Walmart tell you had beautiful eyes? And what did you tell her? They're blue? You're getting daring. Look at you. Are you kicking? You got off the step. Good girl. Okay, don't lean too forward because you'll go. You don't want your face to go under because I don't have my bathing suit on.
Happy push me.
I can't push you because I'm not in the pool. You want me to pull you with the pole?
Yep.
There you go.
Do that.
You're doing it.
Yeah, I can't my feet.
Is it freezing?
Yeah.
I think it's a chilling 74.
Yeah, it's me.
Do you want to get out?
No, I'm staying in the pool.
How long you going to stay in there?
I just stay in that pool.
Do you hear Mark and Wesley building on his building?
Yes, he's building a pool.
A fort? Looks like a fort, doesn't it? You reckon he'll hide in it?
No.